If you've been following the tech space, you already know that 2025 feels like the year where smart glasses are finally stepping out of sci-fi movies and into our everyday lives. And the big question everyone is asking is this: could smart glasses actually replace smartphones? And who's leading this battle? Meta, Apple, or Google? Because when you look at what's happening in the wearable space right now, it's clear that these companies aren't just experimenting. They're betting the future of personal tech on augmented reality and AI that lives right in front of your eyes, not in your pocket. Meta has been the most aggressive, pushing Ray-Ban smart glasses that blend fashion with function, and their upcoming versions go way beyond snapping pictures or playing music, because they're tying directly into Meta AI, giving you real-time translation, directions, contextual info overlays, and even AI-driven assistance hands-free. And the key here is that they look like normal Ray-Bans, so you don't feel like a cyborg wearing them downtown or at work, which is critical for adoption in the US, where style and social acceptance are just as important as functionality. On the other hand, Apple has been quietly building what insiders call the Apple Glass, and while they're not rushing like Meta, they're focusing on creating a seamless ecosystem between iPhone, Apple Watch, and AR glasses. So instead of replacing your iPhone overnight, Apple's strategy is to make the glasses an extension of it at first, offering heads-up notifications, navigation, and FaceTime integration before slowly moving toward more independence. And if you know Apple, they won't release until they can make it sleek, fashionable, and priced at a premium that US buyers will still line up for, the same way they did for the iPhone. Meanwhile, Google is playing a comeback game, because after the flop of Google Glass years ago, they've been working under the radar with Project Iris, and the idea this time is different. They're betting on blending AI with visual search, so you could literally look at something, and your glasses instantly tell you what it is, where to buy it, or how to use it, which makes total sense given Google's strength in AI search and Gemini integration. So will these glasses replace smartphones entirely? Not right away, but think about how the smartphone itself replaced so many gadgets over the years. Cameras, MP3 players, GPS units, even credit cards. Smart glasses have the same potential to gradually eat away at how often we reach for our phones, especially for things like navigation, messaging, or quick searches. And once displays, battery life, and connectivity improve, you could imagine a world where glasses are the first screen you interact with daily. For US consumers, the battleground comes down to style, price, and ecosystem. Meta is winning on style with Ray-Ban. Apple will win on ecosystem because everything just works together. And Google could win on pure AI functionality if they nail the experience. But the truth is, this isn't a one-year race, it's the next decade of computing being decided right now. So, which one would you wear? Meta's fashion-first approach, Apple's premium ecosystem, or Google's AI-heavy vision? And do you think we're really ready to ditch our smartphones for smart glasses? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this battle could reshape tech forever.